Well, this is a work in progress. Starting to try and get the outdoor cooking area going on. Got one of the Webers there. Got the old cranky buzzard sign going on. Got the new flat top griddle, Blackstone, that my wife bought me for an early Father's Day present. The other Weber here. Still got, like I said, a lot of work to do here, but we will be working on this as time permits and money permits. There's the produce prison over there. So, got a video coming up. I'm going to make some sausage with, actually Italian sausage, with peppers, onions, and a little bit of garlic. I'll throw in some bacon on the old flat top. See you in a few. I'm going to go ahead and preface this with, I have no idea what I'm doing. My bride just bought this Blackstone for me for Father's Day, early Father's Day present, 2 days ago. I have cooked on it exactly once. I'm going to try and see what's going on here, see what happens, how it works. Not sure if the sun's going to jack with us or not. Let me kind of look here. Yeah, the thing is, when I come and look, it looks like it moves, but yeah, the sun may mess with us a little bit. Also, I'm not on the iPhone tonight. I'm using the big camera. So we're going to try it and see what happens. And if you see this video, that means it worked. But I'm going to go ahead and follow some of the stuff I saw online. Get a little oil going on, and then get some sausages happening. So we'll see what happens. The sausages where they need to be. Got everything on low right now. Once the sausages cook fairly slow, they've got to cook from the inside out. We're going to get the sausages going on there, and then we'll get veggies going here. Spread a little oil out, see how it goes. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing here. I am totally new to flat top cooking, but see what happens. Get some onions thrown down. I think they'll break up. I'm going to wait, put the garlic down later, because you know the garlic tends to burn as it is. I think bacon's going to go down go down towards the end as well. It's already cooked, so see how it goes. Is that onion in there? Alright, so we're going to give it a couple of minutes here. See what happens. I'm going to go ahead and add a little oil to this. And I don't know. Guess I'll be back in a few minutes and tell you all how it's going. Since I'm not really sure about what I'm doing here, I went ahead and turned off these two burners right here. Just going to keep it warm on this side. Give it time to let those cook. I've got the other two burners on low. Let's see how the peppers and onions fare. The Italian sausage is fresh. It's going to take some time. I'm going to give that a couple of minutes, flip it, move it back and forth, then I'll pull it off once it's about half done. I'm going to slice it up, then I'll toss all this stuff together. I'll add the garlic to it, and I'll add the bacon to it, and we shall see. Like I said, I'm new to this flat top game. You know, me do something on a smoker, on a grill, I'm there. This, not sure. We'll be back. Well, I'm not sure if you could see it, but I probably should have turned the sausages about a minute ago. It got a little crispy on one side. We'll see how it's going to be. Like I said, I'm going to let them get to where they're about 115, 120 internal. I'll pull them off, I'll slice them up, and then I'll run the sausage slices along with the veggies and then I'll add the garlic. Actually, I'll add the garlic before I put the sausage slices in. And then the bacon will probably go in towards the end. But again, learning here. Not sure what's going on, how it's going to go. If you see this video, I enjoyed my meal. Yeah, trust me, I'm not going to say anything else because I don't know. We'll see how it goes. If you hear the chicken in the background, that's because there's a chicken in the background. See you soon. Alright, I kind of moved the, almost said brats, but kind of moved the Italian sausage over to the other side. Seasoned the onions and peppers a bit. We'll see what's going to happen here. Probably taking a temperature reading on the sausages here shortly. Slicing those up. Then I think it's going to be a little bit more easy to deal with because I can drop the sliced sausage over in with the peppers, add the garlic, and then the bacon, and come up with a final conglomerate that I'm going to want to eat. Probably be back after I slice the sausages. See you in a few. Alrighty, I sliced the sausage up and realized I don't even have enough onions and peppers, but when I move them back over here, I've warmed up this side a little bit more. I moved the sausages, or I moved the peppers and onions off the side while I was getting the sausage ready. Let's go ahead and get the garlic going. A whole lot easier with a smaller spatula instead of a big ass thing like I got here. But get that going. And let's get the sausage going in here too. Alright, y'all want to run off the end? Let's run off the end. No problem. I'll throw the bacon in at last. See what happens. Go ahead and cut through. Go ahead and cut through. Alright, let's get everything going here. Like I said, no idea what I'm doing. We're going to see if this works or not. Oh, let's go. Back over here, come on. There you go. I'm guessing next time we come back, I'll be getting ready to plate something up. Not sure how good it's going to be, but I'm going to plate something up. See you in a few. Well, according to the thermofin, the sausage is about ready. So I'm about to plate it up, which means I'm going to put it on that aluminum pan over there. And we'll go inside and see if it's any good. I'm going to eat it regardless. I think I can do better. See you inside. Well, I said I'll see you inside. I'm inside now. That's going to be lunch tomorrow. That's right here. Gonna try it tonight, see how it goes. Got a little marinara sauce, sausage, peppers, garlic, a little bit of bacon. Appreciate y'all coming along with me for the ride, even though I didn't have a clue what I was doing. Hope everybody's well. Y'all take care.